I love reading and writing books too. And more than that, I love my vanilla mug cake. So I'm making a very easy peasy vanilla mug cake for you guys, and this is your best coupling when you're looking for some me time. And you'll understand why, because it's so quick, easy and delicious. It'll just melt in your mouth. So this is my reading recipe. I read whilst I eat this. It's so quick and so easy to eat. You don't dirty your hands, you don't do nothing, and you can just turn over the page. No wastage, no nothing. It's so simple. And now it's going to go in the microwave for 3 to 4 minutes. Pretty good. I told you. It smells divine, and of course you can eat it on the go. And the cherry on the cake is my vanilla mug cake.